In this video, we're covering the number plane. So a number plane is a grid made from a horizontal number line that we call the x-axis and a vertical number line called the y-axis. Now, in the textbooks and certain problems in tests, you may also see it referred to as a Cartesian plane based on the mathematician. So, points on the number line are located using coordinates, which we've covered in a previous video, such as 3, 5. So the first number is related to the x-axis and it is called the x-coordinate. And the second is called the y-coordinate because it's related to the y-axis. Now, the only point that has a special name is our 0, 0, and that is known as the origin. So if I go down here and look at my grid here, on the left side, you can see the y-axis, right? That is your vertical line. So these here, these 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, these are all what we call as our y-coordinates. On the bottom here, you can see our x-axis. And again, these numbers here are our x-coordinates. Now, when we're trying to find a specific point on our number line or our Cartesian plane, we need two coordinates. So if I'm trying to find our coordinate for A up here, I start by reading the x-axis. So you start on the x-axis, that horizontal down here. Alright, so I go across. So my x-coordinate is going to be 1. And then I look at my left on my y-axis and I go, well, what number is it there? So if I go up to A, my y-coordinate is 5. So A is going to be 1, 5. Because this is my x and this is my y. So if we look at doing B now, again, same thing. B is over here. So we're going to go across on my x first. So looking at 4. Then I go across and look at my y. And you can see that's 4, 4. So B is 4, 4. Alright, so we'll keep doing these a bit quicker now. So C, x first, then my y. So C is going to be 3, 2. We can look at the next one here. Oh, sorry, got ahead of myself. So D is going to be 1, 3. And we'll do E now. Now you might think, oh, yep, E, 5, that's easy. Its y-coordinate is 0. So 0 still counts as a valid y-coordinate. So 5, 0. We also call that our x-intercept because it's on the x-axis. Now up here, let's do our F. Now that's 0 this time because remember your x-coordinate comes first and then your y. So 0, 1. So again, with all of these, remember your x goes first, so x, and then y.